So with medical, you will always need supplies. You will always need supplies here and there. With the drone, it will make it a lot easier. It will not only cut time, but you won't have to use manpower. It will get there a lot quicker, drop it. You can drop supplies for up to 8 to 12 patients at a time. I will be able to operate that drone loaded up with Class A supplies that will last maybe a week, 2 weeks for that mission. And now that's less bodies that need to go downrange.
Without certain equipment, certain materials, the DCAS becomes ineffective. So with the UAS resupply way forward, it gives us flexibility to quickly and effectively resupply and to continue to put soldiers back in the fight. The biggest capability is soldier safety. It gives the commanders the ability to not take unnecessary risks. We'd rather put out a $1,000 drone instead of putting a life or additional military equipment.